Do you know many people are having trouble with their Subaru Outback FOBS not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Press Start button. Press the Start button on the fob. Look for one flash and one beep, which means the engine start request was received. Step 2. Verify engine start. Verify that the engine has started. Look for 2 flashes and 2 beeps. Step 3. Check vehicle range. Check if the vehicle is in range, but not starting. Look for 3 flashes and 3 beeps. Step 4. Ensure not out of range. Ensure that the vehicle is not out of range by observing 2 long flashes. Step 5. Observe engine idling. If the engine is idling due to a remote start, look for 1 flash every 3 seconds. Step 6. Confirm engine stopped. If the engine stops by system timeout or safety reasons, look for 3 flashes and 3 beeps. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Subaru Outback FOBS. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Subaru users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.